All right, we're going to take a look at domain and range in this video. Here we have a graph, and you can see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points on the graph. So we want to go ahead and identify those ordered pairs. The first one, we go to the left 3 and up 0, so that's a -3, 0. I'm just going to write these down here so it's a little bit more clear. -3, 0. Now this point right here, to the left 1, down 2, is -1, -2. Then we didn't go left or right at all, but just down 2, so that's a 0, -2. And then we go to the right 1 and down 2, so that's 1, -2. And then we go to the right 3, but we're not going up or down at all, so that's a 3, 0. Okay, so we have to identify the domain and the range. So an easy way to remember this, domain is going to be your x values, and range is going to be your y values. Domain is the input of the function, range is the output that you get from that domain. So, domain is going to be all of these x values from our ordered pairs. So we're just going to list those off. We have a -3, -1, 0, 1, and 3. That's just a little fancy bracket right there. All right, your range is going to be all of those y values. So if you put in a -3, you get a 0 back. Put in a -1, you get a -2 back. So these are all the range values. Now you notice that we have some repeats. Here's a -2 and a -2 and a -2. So we don't need to write that 3 times. And here's 0 twice. So our range, we have a 0 and we have a -2.